Well, I just finished up switching this Y-axis gantry drive car around, and you can see there that the cable track doesn't stick out past the end too far anymore, and I now have no clearance issue with that cabinet. In fact, I have about an inch of room thereabouts on that side, so that's plenty of clearance. It's all the way over on that side, and wasn't too bad. I would plan to try and do this beforehand, because there is a lot of stuff you have to take apart. You have to take off both of these roller bearings on either side of this cart so that you can switch this longer post around, because you need that post to anchor the spring tensioning mechanism for the drive assembly. And you got to switch these two around. You got to take this off, switch it from this hole to that hole on that side, and then I have to move the gear rack to this side. Long and the short of it is, before you start all of your assembly, it is very much worthwhile to figure out where you want your control box, and for me, I'm going to end up putting that on the face here so it's easy to get to and relatively out of the way. And that way you can plan all of your cable runs and know which way you want your gear motor facing on the Y-axis and all that kind of stuff beforehand. Would have saved just a little bit of time, but it wasn't too bad. It only took like an hour or so to get it converted. I did also have to turn this motor around in order to get the cabling right. But yeah, no big deal. It's basically, once I get these nuts, or not nuts, but these bolts from Aaron at CNC Router Parts, once he sends me those, this is basically ready to go. I can do a drive test here shortly. But anyway, as I said before, I want to replace the feet and get those plywood on. I got a buddy of mine who's going to take me to Lowe's, and we're going to get that plywood tomorrow. So anyway, I guess that's that, and until next time, thanks.